guys, what's up? Welcome back to NextLux Reviews, the home of next-level luxury, futuristic rides, and the most insane motorhomes on the road. If you're into cutting-edge RVs, smart living, and high-end travel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, because today's video is something truly different. Imagine a motorhome that looks like it came straight out of the future, fully electric, powered by advanced batteries, and even supported by solar energy. No gas stops, no noise, just smooth, silent luxury on wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the 2027 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter motorhome, a futuristic luxury RV that's designed for the USA, UK, and Canada road lifestyle. And trust me, by the end of this video, you might just rethink what a motorhome should be. Let's start with the exterior, because the first look of this thing is absolutely insane. This is not your typical boxy RV. The design is sleek, low, and aggressive, almost like a sports car, mixed with a luxury bus. The front has that bold, signature Mercedes-inspired grille, with sharp LED headlights that give it a futuristic, premium feel. It looks powerful, even when it's just standing still. The body is smooth and aerodynamic, which isn't just for looks, it actually improves efficiency, especially for an electric motorhome. The paint finish is deep and glossy, giving it that ultra-luxury vibe you'd expect from a high-end vehicle. Large panoramic windows run along the sides, giving you a full view of the outside world while also letting in natural light. Now, moving towards the side profile, you'll notice how long and stretched it is, but still perfectly balanced. This isn't just about design, it's about space. Every inch is used smartly to give you maximum comfort inside. The lower stance also makes it feel more stable and planted on the road. Let's talk about the wheels, because they deserve attention. These are not basic RV wheels. You're getting large, performance-style alloy wheels wrapped in premium all-terrain tires. They're designed to handle highways, rough roads, and even off-grid travel. The grip, stability, and road presence they provide is on another level. As we move to the rear, the back design is just as impressive. Clean lines, LED taillights, and a modern finish make it look just as premium from behind. You also get smart storage compartments integrated into the rear, perfect for travel gear, outdoor equipment, or long trips across states or countries. Now here's where things get really interesting. The electric and solar system. This motorhome is powered by a high-capacity battery pack that delivers long driving range perfect for USA highways or cross-country road trips in Canada. And on top of that, it has solar panels installed on the roof. So while you're parked or even driving, it's constantly charging itself. This means less dependence on charging stations, more freedom, and true off-grid capability. You can literally park in the middle of nowhere and still have power for your lights, appliances, and everything inside. Now let's step inside. And this is where luxury meets smart living. The moment you walk in, you feel like you're entering a high-end apartment, not a motor. The interior is modern, clean, and designed with premium materials. Soft lighting, high-quality finishes, and a minimalist layout make everything feel spacious and relaxing. The living area is the first thing you notice. Comfortable seating, smart layout, and enough space to relax, work, or entertain. The seats are plush, adjustable, and designed for long hours of comfort. You also get a large smart display for entertainment, perfect for watching movies, streaming, or even controlling the entire motorhome system. Now, let's talk about the kitchen, because this is not your basic RV kitchen. You're getting a fully equipped, modern kitchen setup. There's a sleek countertop, induction cooktop, built-in microwave, refrigerator, and smart storage cabinets. Everything is designed to be compact but fully functional. You can cook full meals here, just like you would at home. Whether you're traveling across the US or camping in Canada, you're not sacrificing comfort or convenience. Moving forward, the washroom is another highlight. Clean, modern, and surprisingly spacious. You get a full shower setup, a stylish sink, and a smart toilet system. The materials used are water-resistant and high quality, giving it a premium bathroom feel instead of a typical RV setup. Now let's talk about the bedroom area. Probably the most important part for long trips. The bed is large, comfortable, and designed for proper rest. Soft lighting, storage compartments, and a cozy layout make it feel like a luxury hotel room. You also get climate control, so whether you're in hot USA deserts or cold Canadian weather, you stay comfortable. There's also smart storage everywhere, under the bed, above cabinets, hidden compartments, making sure you can carry everything you need without clutter. Now coming to performance, because this is where the future really shows up. Being fully electric, this motorhome delivers smooth and silent driving. No engine noise, no vibration, just clean power. The acceleration is surprisingly quick for a vehicle of this size, and the handling feels stable and controlled. The battery range is designed for long-distance travel, making it ideal for road trips across the USA, UK countryside drives, or Canadian highways. And with fast charging capability, you can recharge quickly at modern EV stations. The solar support adds an extra layer of freedom. You're not always dependent on charging infrastructure. That's a huge advantage for people who love off-grid travel. Safety features are also you get advanced driver assistance systems, lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and smart braking systems. It's not just a luxury motorhome, it's a smart, safe vehicle. Now let's talk about the price. Since this is a futuristic, high-end electric motorhome with luxury features and solar technology, it doesn't come cheap. The expected price range is around $250,000 to $400,000, depending on customization and features. Yes, it's expensive, but when you compare it to what you're getting, a luxury home, a high-tech vehicle, and full travel freedom, it starts to make sense. This is not just it's a lifestyle upgrade. So who is this for? If you're someone in the USA who loves long road trips, or in Canada exploring nature, or in the UK looking for luxury travel, this motorhome is built for you. It's for people who want comfort, technology, and independence all in one. Before we wrap this up, just take a moment and imagine this. You're parked by a lake. No noise, no crowd, just nature around you. Your motorhome is powered, your lights are on, your kitchen is ready, and you're completely off living your best life. That's what this 2027 motorhome delivers. Alright guys, that's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more insane luxury motorhomes like this, make sure you subscribe to NextLux Reviews and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Drop a comment below and tell me, would you actually buy an electric motorhome like this? Or do you still prefer traditional RVs? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where we bring you even more next-level luxury on wheels. Stay tuned, stay smart, and keep exploring.